In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page in Carrd. If you're used to traditional websites, you might expect to add separate pages, but in Carrd, the Pages experience is created with sections. We'll use a section break to split your site into distinct screens that you can link to, just like Pages. First, open your browser and head to carrd.co. On the home page, click Open Dashboard to sign in and access your sites. From your dashboard, choose the project you want to edit. This will open the Carrd Builder so you can make changes right on the canvas. Inside the builder, look for the Add button. This is where you insert new elements into your site. When the panel opens, select Control. Controls aren't visible elements like text or images. They change how your page behaves. That's exactly what we need to simulate multiple pages. Within the control options, open the Type dropdown. From the list, choose Section Break. This control splits your site into sections that Carrd treats as separate screens. It's the key to turning a one-page layout into a multi-section site that feels like it has pages. Next, give your section break a name. Pick something short and clear like About, Services, or Contact. This name is used as the section's anchor, so keep it simple and unique. Good names make it much easier to link buttons or navigation to the right section later. Once you've named it, click Done to add the section break to your layout. You'll see a divider appear in the outline and on the canvas. From this point forward, any elements you add below that divider will belong to your new page. If you accidentally place something in the wrong section, just drag it above or below the break in the layer list to move it. Now that the section exists, you can link to it from anywhere on your site. For example, add a button, set its action to go to a section, and choose the name you just created. When visitors click that button, Carrd will smoothly take them to the new section, giving the feel of switching pages. This also works nicely for navigation links if you're building a simple multi-section site. That's all you need to create an additional page-like section in Carrd. Open your project, add a control, set it to section break, name it, and place your content below. Thanks for watching, and have fun building your sections into a clean multi-page experience.